A point 16 is the midpoint of the line segment AB to 47. So look, 16 is located where? There we go. 47 unfortunately would be located around here. Would everybody agree with that? If that was the number 7, that would be 4, 7. Now which one's the midpoint? That's the midpoint, and that's like your A point. Would you agree with that? A can be 4, 7. Oh, sorry, I won't use A. Why won't I not use A? Or A is already in use, isn't it? Yeah, P and Q is a nice one, so I'll call this one P. Okay, now Q is somewhere over here. 1 down, 3 across, 1 down, 3 across. And what will that result in? The location of Q, which is? And I believe that's our answer. That's it. Now for those of you who want to do it the algebra way, it's very simple. The algebra way is something like this. You write down your point, then you write down your midpoint. See the way your point travels to the midpoint? Now how'd you go from 4 to 1 on the x value? So you do minus 3 to x. And how'd you go from 7 to 6 on the y value? Minus 1 to y. And then do the same thing out the other side, and what you get? Minus 2, and take 1 away? 5. Everybody cool with that? Don't necessarily need the diagram to do that one. Now I thought that was quite easy. Okay, let's move on. This one here. Let's hope I have enough. Actually, give me a second. I'm just going to retake this picture because I need it to be a bit higher, don't I? So I'll retake this picture. Now, once again, if you're stuck, you can always try it by diagram. Send the current page, and off we go again. Okay, what you're given is you're given a couple of points, and you're told their midpoint is the same. The midpoint of PQ and 4, 7 is the same as the midpoint of 4 minus 3 and 2, 7. Now, first of all, where's 4 minus 3? 4 minus 3 is located there. Where's 2, 7? 2 across, and where do you think the midpoint is? Huh? Sorry, 1 sec. Yeah, there's a way of doing it. Okay, the way of doing it is you go, it looks like it's going to be the point 3, 2, doesn't it? Now, if you aren't sure, how many blocks do you go across? You go across 2, and how many blocks do you go up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, is it? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 blocks up. So this is known as the midpoint. So midpoint would mean half that. Go across 1 and up 5. Across 1, up 5 takes you to the point 3, 2. Is everybody okay with that? Now, how would you do that without the graph? How would you figure out what the point is without the graph? Yes, sir? Yeah, you use the midpoint formula, and you use the 2 points you're given. What are the 2 points we're given again? We're given x1, y1, and we're given this as x2 and y2. So what can I write in here then? Huh? So 4 plus minus 2, yeah, over 2, and the other one? You can, yeah. 4 minus 2 is 2, 2 over 2, 1. Minus 3 plus 7, 4, 4 over 2. Ooh, wait. I did something wrong there, did I? Oh, sorry, I see what I did wrong. It wasn't 2, 7, it was minus 2, 7. So this point here, wrong. It should be located here. Everybody see that? So it's not the point 3, 2. It's the point, it's not the point 3, 2. And that's the great thing about having 2 ways of doing it. What happened there? I spotted an error, didn't I? I had a way of checking it, didn't I? So it's not 3, 2. I'm wrong about 3, 2. What is it instead? It looks like 1, 2, doesn't it? Looks like that's your point there, doesn't it? Yeah? And what's minus 3 plus 7, 4? 4 divided by 2? 2. It's actually 1, 2. My fault. Yes, sir. x1 plus x2. All right? Okay, guys. Have I finished my question yet? No. It's also the midpoint of the point. It's also minus 4, 7. Where's minus 4, 7 located? Minus 4, 7 is located here, yeah? And what are we saying about it? Its midpoint is the same as minus 4, 7 to another point. So check this out. How many am I going down? Down 2, down 4, down 5, across 5. Down 5 across 5 leads me to here, doesn't it? And what do I have to do now? Go down another. So I'll just do it to here to start off. Then go down another 5. And go across another 5. And where do I end up? This point here, the point 6 minus 3. Do you notice they both have the same midpoint? They have the same midpoint, don't they? All right, I'm counting the blocks, yeah? 1 block, 2 blocks, 3 blocks, 4 blocks, 5 blocks. 5 blocks puts me even with the midpoint. How many blocks across? 1 block, 2 block, 3 block, 4 block, 5 blocks. 5 down, 5 across. Go down another 5 and cross another 5 and you end up at the point 6 minus 3. So we now know that P must be 6 minus 3. How'd you do that without using the graph? Anybody tell me how to do that without using the graph? Yes, Ryan.
It's from minus 4 and 7 to 1, 2. So
minus 4, 7 goes to 1, 2.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then minus 4 to 1 is 5.
Plus 5 to x, yeah.
Then 7 to 2 is
Minus
minus 5.
5 to y. Does everybody get that? Plus 5 to x means move right 5. Minus 5 to y means move down 5. So what happens when we add that to 1, 2? What's 5 to x? What's 2 take away 5? Minus 3. And there you go. Same answer. Roughly 2 different ways. Is that okay with you guys? You can do it graphically or you can do it using algebra, okay? Now, ready to move on? Okay. Question A. I think this is the same type of question, isn't it? Oh, not really. This one, I need to go from 0, 0 to 10, 15. Okay, so give me a second. This is going to be difficult to organize. Yep. No, I don't think I'm going to fit this one in. Using it Alright, everybody know what I'm doing there then? It's going to be the halfway point. Alright, actually, do you know what? I don't need it. I just need it from 2 to 15, don't I? It's just so annoying, isn't it? Alright, yeah, I'm going to have to reduce it. Yeah, I best do it this way. Oh, wait. What's the first one?
2, 3.
2, 3. Alright, guys, I think I have it. Okay, look at this. Everybody ready? So, I'm going to graph this out now. Okay. Send the current page. Oh, no. Alright, never mind. I get it now. Okay. Here's our question here. Now, it says it's evenly spaced, doesn't it? How many of them am I allowed to have? 5 of them. Evenly spaced. Would you agree with that? Okay. So let's start dotting them down. Okay. We'll make this really quick, okay? Now, where's the point 2, 3? 2 across, 3 up. Is everybody happy that's the point 2, 3? 10, 15. So let's count it across. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 is located here and up to 15. 10, 15. Yes, sir. Yeah. That's what I'm showing you this way. This is like the backup plan. Now, they have to be evenly spaced, don't they? Where do you think the third one's going to be located? I think the third one will be the midpoint, do you? Would I ever agree the third one's the midpoint? And where's the midpoint? There is there. What's that point there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 9. No, it's not 4, 9. 6. Yeah, sorry, it's 6. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's 6. Yeah, my fault. Now, how would you get that answer without doing it by graph? What would you have to do?
The formula.
Yeah, the midpoint formula. That'd be x2, y2, and this one is x1, y1. And you'd say it's this formula here. And then y1 plus y2 over 2. All right, what would you get there?
2 plus 10.
10, sorry, 2 plus 10 over
2.
2. And the other one?
3 plus 15.
Over
2.
2. And what you get there? 12 divided by 2. 13, 3 plus 15, 18 divided by 2? 9. Okay, we got a question. Next one. Where should the others be placed? Well, why don't we get the midpoint of the midpoint? So what's the middle of 2, 3 compared to 6, 9? Add 2 and 6 together, you get 8. 8 divided by 2? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There it is, there, isn't it? And add 9 and 3 together, you get 12. Half of 12? There it is, 4, 6. I think it's a pattern, isn't it? The x values go up in 2s and the y values go up in 3s. So what do you think the next one will be? 8, 12. Is that alright with you guys? And you're good.